we're going to be going over the top 5 games, and I can't wait to share them with you. I'm not a financial advisor. The first one being the Forgotten Runeverse. This is a game that is free to play. It is on open beta, and it is introducing players to a new mana earning referral system. Dedicated grinders can now earn mintable on-chain rewards, giving them tangible assets to use and sell. So this is pretty insane. As you can see, the gameplay here, the Runeverse, create to earn, which is a great concept. I love the kind of play style, almost like back in the day with Zelda. I mean, this is what it looks like to me. I'm very excited about this game right off the bat because play as an NFT wizard in game, you can do all sorts of cool things. So I'm very, very excited about this game because I love Legends of Zelda, and this just brings that nostalgia back. Number 2 on the list, this is Off the Grid. It is a AAA battle royale in a cyberpunk future. It did release on the PS5 and it is developed by Gunzilla Games. Off the Grid brings unique limb mechanics and dynamic map transversals, delivering an experience that you'll be familiar with like Call of Duty. This is one of those games that just looks pretty sweet. They both have the PvP and PvE. Teardrop Island, cyberpunks. It is like the dystopian world that we all wanted. I mean, this is pretty sweet stuff. I mean, look at the weapons, look at the customization on the weapons. You can put silencers, you can add suppressors, flash hiders, all sorts of different things. You have different weapons and skins. I love it. I mean, they have so much gameplay footage. Why wouldn't you want to jump in? Number 3 on the list, Lumi Terra. This is a little fun play game. I love it. I mean, the characters look amazing. It is in the closed beta number 1 right now, which launched, I think last month actually, and it is pretty impressive that what they're doing. The game has achieved over 80% day plus 7 retentions with over 1.2 million metal mutts defeated, showcasing strong engagement. This is insane because if you think about that, 80% of the players that joined up played the whole 7 days and 80% stayed. That's amazing. What a great game. They are doing such great things. You can see the battles, the farming, crafting, multiplayer. They have it all. Definitely check out the white paper and join the Discord so you can get in on the beta. Number 4 on the list, this is Golden Tides. This is where you can hunt for treasure. The latest update to the Golden Tides has brought major enhancements to treasure-related gameplay. Finding, defending, and delivering treasures have become more challenging and rewarding, leading to intense and action-packed matches. I mean, this game is pretty fun. I mean, who doesn't love pirates? Forming a crew, find treasure. I mean, take down other pirates, get some treasure. Who doesn't love that? You have all your different heroes you can choose from. There is all sorts of different ones. I mean, a chef, Deadeye, a skeleton. They look all pretty sweet, and they're always adding new heroes to the lineup. You can see that they have skins, ships, hats, pets, emotes. They have their showcase of all of the testimonials of how much fun this game is. So I'm loving this. You can get heroes, you can join the hunt, and get your own treasure. So dive right in, matey. And last but not least, we have Paradox. Launched in August, actually. Paradox is an alpha by Epic Games in the Epic Games Store, featuring exciting esports tournaments with over $80,000 in prizes, a unique per-person shooter with 3-on-3 format, which takes a fresh look on the tactical shooter that we all know and love. The early feedback highlighting its potential for competitive play. So as you can see, you can play now. They have all of their shooters, their little blogs here, what's going on, contests, the seasons, the gameplay. It's looking pretty sweet with their 3 versus 3 combat competitions. So I'm loving it. Death timer strategy, synergy weapons, and player controller. I mean, they have a unique play here. It seems like they all have kind of the same haircut. That's cool. I love it. Paradox, check it out. You can get it now. So those are our 5 games. I'm super excited. We have the Forgotten Runeverse, we have Off the Grid, Luma Terra, Golden Tides, and Paradox. I mean, lots of shooters, but some different ones like the pirate game, which is Golden Tides, which looks a lot of fun. And then some of the nostalgia with Forgotten Universe. It reminds me of like Zelda. I mean, these games are so much fun, and they have AAA development in some of them, so you know you're going to get some awesome gameplay. You definitely don't want to miss the tournament that Paravox is doing, where you can win up to $80,000. So definitely check that out. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.